of people that I know IRL ask me a ton of things to do with, oh, hey, my PC's slow. Can you look at it? This is slow. Can you look at it? Can you do this? Can you do that? Etc. Blah, 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 blah. So today, I thought I'd make a video going over the top 3 or 5, I haven't decided which one yet, on how, like, exactly what you could do to speed up your computer. If none of these work, chances are you need a new hard drive or you need a new SSD, or you should just take it to someone to look at it because it might be hardware related at that point. So let's go ahead and delve into it. So number 1 is probably the easiest thing you can do, which is run a virus scan. The top link in the description will be a completely safe link, okay, because I know some people who probably aren't that tech savvy are going to be watching this video maybe. It is a completely safe link. It's to a program called Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is one of the highest running antivirus companies on the internet, and you basically just download the free version of that. There's a free and there's a paid version. You want to do the free version, there'll be a top link in the description that takes you to the free version, okay? You want to download that, you want to install it, and you want to go ahead and run it, okay? See if it finds any viruses, and then go ahead and go up to the cleanup process. Going on to the next thing is you can actually delete temporary files on your computer. Now, temporary files, before anybody panics, these are files that are not going to be doing anything on your computer, and they're not even going to be helping. They're just going to be there taking up a bunch of space. Now, while they don't particularly take up a crap ton of storage space, the more the files, the more it is taking up processing power of your computer in the background that you don't know of. So let's go ahead and delve into how to do that. You want to go ahead and go to the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner of your screen. You want to type in %appdata%. You want to click on that. Then once this pops up, you want to click on app data. You want to click on local. You want to scroll down and find temp. And then you want to go ahead and double click on temp. Now, all mine is just going to have a couple because I've already done this, but if yours has like a crap ton, like well over like 20, 30, 50, some people have like 300, 400, even 1,000 if they've never done this before, you just want to hit Control and A, or just highlight all of them and then just hit delete. And if it comes up something like this, you just go ahead and do this for all current items and hit skip. All right, it's going to delete the ones that it can delete, and then those are actually not fully deleted yet, but I'll show you how to delete them in a second. Next, what we want to do is clear the temp files in the Windows. All right, so go ahead and go to local disk, go to your Windows, scroll down to temp, and you want to delete all the ones that are here. I've already gone ahead and deleted those, so but you will have probably a crap ton that are here as well. You want to hit Control A, and then you want to hit delete. All right, that's what you want to do. Then in order to delete all that stuff that we actually just deleted, you want to go to your recycling bin. So go ahead and open up a recycling bin. It'll all be in here. You want to hit empty recycling bin and hit yes. All right, so all those temp files that we just put in the recycling bin will be deleted. Now, number 3 is actually not that difficult. It's called defragmentating your hard drive or retrimming your SSD. You want to hit the Windows button and type in defrag. You want to go and click on defragmentation and optimize drives, and this will bring this up. Now, this is very important right here. I've left this one here so you guys can see this, so you understand how it works. But right here we have one of my disks. It is 3% fragmented. Realistically, you want all of your drives to be at least 1% or below fragmented when it comes down to it. It depends on the drives that you have and different stuff like that, but you probably want it to be 1% or below. You do not want this set on a weekly schedule, because the problem is the more you fragmentate your hard drive, the less lifespan it actually has, even though you may not notice it because, it may outlive the computer itself. But when it comes down to it, it actually does put a little bit of a strain on your hard drive and or SSD. So simply all you want to do is you want to go to whichever one of these you can. You want to hit analyze, and it's going to actually run it and tell you if it's fragmented or not. So you can see right here, it's going to do this, and it'll tell you if it's 1% fragmented, 0%. If it's any more, if it's like 2% or above, I would optimize it. Now, the reason I haven't optimized this is because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like if it's fragmented before the video. You would click on this and you'd hit optimize. It would take a tiny little bit probably. So a lot of people would say don't do it for SSDs. SSDs actually can be done this way. It just simply retrims the SSDs. Windows added an option for that. The next and final option I'm going to go through here for you guys, which is leading to the very last one besides the final one, which is not really an option, it's more of a replacement, is this one is just going to be check Windows Update. I cannot tell you how many times people have told me their computer is slow. They give me their computer, I go in here, and it has a shit ton of pending updates that have not been updated on the computer. Make sure you go to your Windows Update, check and see if it's up to date and there's no pending updates. If there is, restart your computer so it can update. All right, it's as simple as that. Easy, done peasy. Step number 5, if all the other steps that I told you have not worked, chances are you probably need a brand new hard disk drive as it might be failing, and or you might need a new SSD as you've probably rewritten on it too many times, or just simply if you have an older laptop, they just run down over time and you just need to replace it with an SSD or HDD. To find that out, you can just go on YouTube and figure out how to replace your exact type of hard disk drive you have or SSD you have. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.